There is a problem of plenty in the mid-range segment. Some focus on power, others on imaging, and yet others on value. The latest entrant to have dealt its card in its crowded segment is OnePlus with its affordable but premium Nord CE 5G. To many, this is the new mid-range killer. But to prove its mettle, the CE 5G has to go head-to-head with established all-rounders like the Mi 10i, Poco X3 Pro in the sub-25,000 segment. The battle for the king of mid-rangers is on. Let's find out which phone wears the crown. First thing first, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is a well-designed phone. What we are not a fan of though is the plastic build with shades of purple hue towards the sides. It almost feels like the CE 5G is begging for attention and is a little too flashy in our opinion. What OnePlus did right was bringing back the headphone jack but loses out on the trademark OnePlus Alert slider, which is a bummer. The Poco X3 Pro also shares the same plastic build, but it has a textured back panel that feels good to touch. Among the three, only the Mi 10i has a glass back and earns our vote for the best design in this comparison. Up front, all three come with a big bright display, which makes consuming any type of media a delight, but there are some key differences. The CE 5G comes with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, whereas both the Mi 10i and Poco X3 Pro come with a larger 6.67-inch IPS screen, which makes using the screen a tad bit tiring. We preferred the screen on the CE for its colors and vibrancy, but a 90Hz refresh is hard to ignore when the competition is far ahead at 120Hz. And to add more trouble to the misery, the CE misses out on Gorilla Glass protection, which makes the device even more fragile. Inside, both the CE 5G and Mi 10i come with a Snapdragon 750G, whereas the Poco X3 Pro comes equipped with the Snapdragon 860. Performance is fast and brisk on all three as expected, with no noticeable lags to be found in our time testing. User experience on a device plays an important role, and this is where OnePlus CE 5G scores brownie points. With its clean UI and bloat-free software, this would be our pick of the lot. We are also happy to report that gaming performance is on par on all of them with no frame drops or heating issues. Good camera performance is something people care about, but do not associate with mid-range smartphones. This is where things take an interesting turn. The Mi 10i packs a huge 108 megapixel primary sensor which takes crystal sharp images with good dynamic range. The colors are balanced with a good amount of saturation. It would be hard pressed to see this kind of image quality at this price. Both the OnePlus Nord CE 5G and Poco X3 Pro comes with a 64 and 48 megapixel primary sensor which captures good images if given adequate lighting. Obligatory macro and depth cameras are also found on all three, but it's nothing to write home about. Moving on to the battery. All three pack a healthy sized battery pack, with the Poco X3 Pro coming with a massive 5160 mAh that can easily last a day. Both the Mi 10i and Poco X3 Pro come with a 33-watt fast charger, whereas the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with a 30-watt VOP charging. All of them ship with fast chargers in the box. So what's the Cell Guru verdict? The mid-range segment is so competitive now that even established players find it difficult to assert their position. With whatever the CE 5G offers, there is someone who offers more. While the Nord CE 5G offers a more fluid and clean user interface, Mi 10i has better optics. All three are good options, beating one and another in different areas. We say pick your options based on what you want your smartphone to excel in.